Hi, today we're going to take a look at one aspect of settings on your Android device. Now you see that I have an Android tablet here, but the same sort of information is accurate also for a phone. Now I am in a new place with a new Wi-Fi network, and so I can't get out onto the internet unless I set up that network on this device. And this is how I do it, and this is how you would do it if you were to go to a restaurant with Wi-Fi, or you go to a library, or you go to somebody's house. You want to look for the settings icon. Now, the settings icon on an Android is these three parallel lines with circles. Now, you may not find it on your home screen like mine is. Sometimes if you go up to your top of your device and you pull down, you will get some information. That doesn't work on my Android, but it does on others. But you always can find the settings icon in your app drawer. The app drawer is this icon right here. It's a series of white squares. You can see that I have 6. Other people may have 9 or 12. It all depends the number of apps you have on your device. So I'm going to tap there. And you can see there are all my apps. I don't see the settings, so I'm going to go. And lo and behold, there it is. You see it's got the turquoise frame and it's got the 3 parallel lines. So I'm going to tap that. And you will notice the very first thing I see is Wi-Fi. And if I want to be on Wi-Fi, if I want to be on the internet, I have to first of all turn it on. So I'm going to tap here, and up pops this whole list. Well, if you look at this whole list, you see a lot say not in range. Holiday Inn Express, not in range. MAE1, not in range. Portland Jetport free Wi-Fi, not in range. These are all the Wi-Fi networks I have used with this device. If I scroll up to the top, though, you will see that there are a couple that are in range. So I'm going to tap on Chris's Time Capsule Backup. And you will see that I am asked for a password. Now I happen to have it, so I'm going to tap it in. I'm a little slow, so bear with me. It's better to be slow and sure. Now once I've tapped it in, I can connect. Notice that on the Android, it says under there, show password. If you want to double check that you've typed the right one in, you can tap that. And I can check now. And I'm doing that, and it looks like I have done the right password. I'm going to turn it off because your password really should be yours and yours alone, and so you don't want everybody in the world to be able to read it. Now I'm going to tap connect. And you notice over here, the little Wi-Fi symbol, which sort of looks like a funnel with curved lines, they are active. So that means that I am now ready to go search the internet. So I'm going to go back home. I can go to my browser, or I can go back to my app drawer, and I can open up Chrome, which is a browser, and there we are. And that's all there is to changing your Wi-Fi network. Remember that when you go home, it will automatically pick up your home Wi-Fi, so you don't have to go into settings every time that you change your Wi-Fi settings when you're out. That's it for now.